Hi friend. Do you know what is this thing? This is a little cute bird, a red colored bird. And want to say hello to you and do it hands like this. Okay. And then his head down. Want to see that? Okay. Oh, it's flying for fruits now.